Hey internet, welcome back. Today we're going to have a go at putting these screens on. Two 38mm Iwatchers. Purchased two 38mm glass and digitizers. I'm still waiting on two screens coming for the 42s, so we'll get round to them at a later date. But yeah, 38mm ones today. So I've got two that's working. Which are them there. I've got a screen there that's cracked and shattered. I've got to take the glass off that. In fact, I should check to make sure that screen works as well. But yeah, we're going to have a go at that. So I'm just going to give this a clean. Alright, lovely. Alright, I'm going to pop it on a USB stick. Like so. Right, let's have one of these. Yeah, lovely. Right, digitizers on it and that. I'll pull the film off it when I'm ready. Right, let's get some Loca. UV Loca. Nah, I don't want to go mental with this. Because it'll ooze everywhere. I'm going to have to clean some of it up anyway, but let's just get a little blade just to get that sticker off. Right, now another thing, you need to make sure you're getting it the right way, and I want to try and get this on without any air bubbles. I'm just going to leave it to fill out a bit by itself, because this stuff will run quite a lot. So see it feeding down. Just apply a bit of pressure. Yeah, looks good to me. I'll just hold it up to the light just to make sure. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna Let me give that a blast with the UV. Just to tack it down and get it to start to set. We'll plug the battery in. Yep. Let's try. Mm. Well, managed to put new glass and digitizer on them both. Yeah, mixed results really. I don't know if anyone knows anything about this or can shed some light, but the first one I did, perfect. I mean, not a blemish, not a bubble in there or anything. All looks spot on. But touchscreen works fine this end. But you go to that side, look, nothing. Just doesn't want to work. Touchscreen right in the centre, well, almost the centre. Yeah, it works fine. But yeah, that side, just not having none of it. So I don't know what's gone off there, whether I've got a bad bit of glass and a digitizer or what. Shame really. So it's either looking like I've got to take the screen off and redo it again, get another glass and digitizer. But yeah, I mean, this side is just spot on, but the other side of the screen, terrible. Just no touch whatsoever till you get right to the middle of the screen. And the second one I did, the one that you watched me take the screen off, perfect, absolutely perfect. Yeah, all the way around, everywhere, and they're exactly the same screen and digitizer. So I don't know whether I got a duff one or what, or maybe it was something that I did. I mean, if anyone can pick up on anything that I did wrong and maybe drop a comment, yeah, I mean, that one's perfect. Both sides, or every corner, everywhere on the screen, the digitizer works fine. So I don't know what, I mean, I never did anything different, so I don't know. But yeah, perfect that. Nice little watch as well. So that one's all done and ready, just waiting for the 38mm bands coming, and then that one's ready to go. Battery health, what's the battery health on it? Battery health 99%, so a really good battery in this one. So yeah, lovely. Don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Don't know if I'm going to try and bother with it, or it just seems a real shame that I've got to break and ruin the glass to get it off again. I mean, the screen's perfect, so I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong people, I'm no way an expert on this, and there's better videos out there showing you how to do it all, so don't take what I do in my videos for gospel and that's how you should be doing it. I'm guessing and just learning as I go along, so yeah. But yeah, right, we'll catch you on the next one.